TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN Monday morning, 9 a.m., 30 minutes to go until the start of the trading week. And just in case you didn't know, folks, I just figured it out about a half hour ago. We got a long weekend coming up. Martin Luther King Day, 1 week from today. Market closed next Monday. Always nice to find out you got a long weekend coming up. Markets, not so rosy of a start to kick things off. All things considering, folks, we're up here. We're near all-time highs. We're pulling back a bit this morning, though. You get the S&Ps off 35 points right now at 37.81. We've been trading lower. We're coming down to the lows we had on Friday. That area about 37.75. Tech stocks pulling back as well. NASDAQ 100 off 120 points, or 0.9%. You get the Dow off 1%. Off 319 points at 30,675, and the Russell giving back about 1.3%. The Russell been maybe the most volatile of all the indices, upwards and downwards, depending on the day. Russell off 27 points at 2,061. How about Bitcoin? You could call it the story of the day. We've traded from 42,730 on Friday. You're now at a price of 33,540. You're coming right down to where we were at about 2 a.m. I mean, look at this. You want to call this a dead cat bounce? This is about a $4,000 dead cat bounce from 2 a.m. until 5 a.m. in the Bitcoin market. We're back down near the lows at 33,485. Crude down 45 cents at 51.78. You get the gold contract basically flat, up $1 this morning at 18.36. We did make it down to a low of 18.17 overnight in gold. Silver is up 25 cents at 24.89. Notes and bonds, some pretty calm action. Right now, you're looking at a yield in the 10-year of about 1.11%. You get the 10-year flat at 136.21, and the 30-year is up 3 ticks right now. Jumping over to Europe, my man Larry Pesavento, he taught us. What does he do to start things off? What is Europe doing? Right now, you get the DAX off a full percent. It was off about 0.8%. You're now off 1.1% in the DAX. The FTSE's down 1.1% as well. CAC roll down 1% as well. Jumping around to what else we have going on. You got Lululemon out. They increased their forecast for the prior quarter, but they also gave no guidance for 2021. They said the holiday season was great, but we're not going to tell you how we expect to do coming next year. Well, the market takes that and runs with it to the downside. We'll see where that ends up. Lululemon been one of the strongest companies through all of this, maybe just consolidating up near about 350 this morning. And Twitter, trading a bit lower on the news that they have banned President Trump, along with basically every other social media platform besides a couple. Twitter down this morning about $4 on their numbers. Stay tuned, folks. Should be an interesting Monday in the markets. We got Larry coming up next. We'll be right back.